on, guys? As you guys see right behind us, we are making our first appearance at the Corvette Museum. We're super excited. We're gonna check out all the cool vests that's inside and show you guys what we got, or what they got at least, right inside their building. Super excited for this opportunity. Last day here in Kentucky. We gotta take advantage of it before we head back to California.
Taillights to be smoked out. Make sure you pre-order them. Addict.USA.com.
They need our Euro taillights on there. And anniversary commercial.
Yeah.
Gonna partner up with Corvette Museum.
Live all my life without you, without you. Never need a back on this street. Open up, make us see. Yeah, my love, one thing. We make a bad man sing.
Oh, they're smart. They put the projector.
Y'all see that? Look at that.
After our body shop,
you mean the world to me. You're my living fantasy. I love you. No one above you. Lover, don't get this love to nobody. Lover, don't call another nigga honey. Lover, I wanna be a lover forever. Every silicon, I got the finish work. Without you, I could feel lose my mind. Without you, I could feel fall and die. Without you, I could give up my life. Without you.
Alright, so we got a bunch of goodies from the Corvette Museum. Also, we wanted to appreciate our client Marco for giving us his literally entire SEAT lineup that he purchased. So we got a couple goodies for him as well. Always thinking back and giving it as well, because he's also giving us all the trust and appreciation. So thank you, Marco. Hope you enjoyed the gifts. I'll be seeing you soon when I get back to California. Corvette Museum, guys, amazing experience. Saw so much history, so much manufacturing process, even the incident that they had in their museum when the whole floor dropped down. So can't wait to be back here next year again. We'll be back again and again. Hopefully the C9, you never know. You don't know yet, but an amazing experience. It gave us so much insight of the Corvette family, the Corvette history, and what's going on, all about the Corvette. Dougie, thank you so much. We gotta go back to work now. We gotta get ready for SEMA 2023, which we're super excited for. I will see you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed our entire trip from California to Kentucky. LS Fest, we out. We're about to go see one last sponsor that we've been working with for quite some time now. If you guys haven't heard of her name, she owns a 5.0 Mustang. Send it Shay, look her up on Instagram. Super popular, very enthusiastic about her car. She's actually driving from Nashville to Kentucky right now to say hi to us before we go and fly back to California. Our flight is in about 5 hours, so hopefully the next hour or so she'll be here. We'll say hi to her. Hopefully she brings her car based on what she told me, so we'll highlight it for you guys and show you the carbon fiber hood that we got for her car and end this trip on a beautiful note. I'm super excited. Let's go ahead and end this trip on a nice note. Meeting, send it Shay. Shay, see you back there.
Another nigga honey, lover, I wanna be a lover forever.
Alright guys, there you guys have it. LS Fest East Day 3 is officially over. The weekend has been awesome, and an amazing experience for us for being in the East Coast for the first time in 10 years. Dre and I were here the whole entire weekend, and as you can see, we did partner up with Whoa. That means a wide open throttle detail supply, an amazing partner that we collabed to his audience with our audience all together, and it turned out amazing. Can't wait for next year. You guys gotta stay tuned. We might be bringing some badass cars, but with that being said, we gotta go back to California now, and I'll see you guys next year.
Bye.